Okay, my dear friends, and last section we are already discussing about the civil applications, and today's section I am going to discuss that what are the mechanical applications are there and what is the use of that what applications. So I'll explain to you. Okay, let's open that notepad now so I can write something and I can explain to you. So I'm using it as a notepad shortcut. Enter. So yeah, so I can maximize it. Now you can see, friends, here the mechanical applications I written over here. So we are going to do it. It's an AutoCAD. So and the next one is called as CATIA, and the next one is we call as PROE. Okay, and next one is called as next one is called as Creo. Creo, and we have another one that is SolidWorks, and we have another one that is eGraphics. Okay, and we have another one we call it as ANSYS, and HyperMesh, HyperMesh. See, friends, this is all these applications are called. All these applications are comes under so the mechanical department, and these all those applications are using for doing the what manufacturers, and manufacturers we are using. If you want to do any manufacturers now, so you can do it by using of these particular applications. Okay, so and the next sections of the classes are going to be discussed about AutoCAD. So that's the reason I'm not discussing more thing onto the AutoCAD over here. So and I'll explain later on classes what we do AutoCAD and for mechanical side. Coming to the CATIA, so CATIA means it's nothing but computer aided 3-dimensional interactive application. So by know of the name, so we can easily understand that in the CATIA we can able to do that all those 3D designs, and we can easily make it that your sketching is also here. So in sketching now, so we can do it all the sketching, and if you can change one place, other place is automatically getting changes. So most probably in the CATIA we are going to do that. In CATIA we have so many different type of workbenches are there. So by using of that workbenches we can easily do it. So what you want to be. For suppose if you want to make any circuit design now, so you can we can do it circuit design, and if you want to be making any core and cavity designs, yes, it's possible to do the core and cavity designs. And if you want to be do any assembly, or if you want to be do any manufacture type of things now, and if you want to do any tool designs also, and if you want to do any product process designs also, and you can do a lot of things we can able to do onto the CATIA. So CATIA is introduced by Dassault Systems. The Dassault Systems are introduced the CATIA software. Basically, the Dassault System is one of the aircraft design company. But aircraft company, they make their own application, that is CATIA. But in the CATIA they do aircrafts, and as well as they do that mechanical designs also. And in a CATIA we can able to do weld designs, we can do able to do sheet metal designs, so we can do a lot of things into the CATIA. Okay, so coming to the PROE now, so the PROE is especially for mechanical, but if in case if you want to do any aircrafts, or if you want to do any other designs like tool designs and any other core and cavity designs, yes, it's possible. But as a way of doing is to compare to CATIA, that's what is difficult. But somebody is asking me, sir, in a PROE now, so we are doing surface design, and CATIA means we are doing solid designs. It's not like that, friends. The CATIA and PROE we can do solid and surface designs, it's not matter. So anybody they can do it. And it means CATIA and PROE is also able to do the 3D designs, and as well as 3D designs, and as well as surface modelings also, and mesh modelings also, you can easily do it. But here this all things are somewhat difficult to operate a PROE. So we have another application that is called Creo. And this ProE or Creo, there's a both will introduced by one company, that is PTC company. The PTC means is nothing but Parametric Technology Corporation. And this Creo is also very simple to use, and the Pro is somewhat is hard to do that, but Pro is very simple to do that. And here we can see this CATIA, ProE and the Creo. So CATIA and ProE we can't able to do a heavy duty vehicles for example, if you want to do any cranes or if you want to do any book lines, so heavy duty vehicles we want to do that. So we are facing so many problems when you are using the CATIA and ProE. But coming to the Creo or SolidWorks or Unigraphics now, so these applications we can able to do that large vehicles or large duty vehicles we can easily manufacture into this particular department, particular applications. And the SolidWorks is introduced by Dassault System itself. The Dassault System is only introduced as SolidWorks, and Unigraphics is also Unigraphics is an Nexus using Unigraphics is introduced by Nexus. And this is two applications are there. These two applications are mainly useful for to doing the heavy duties, and as well as in the SolidWorks or Unigraphics itself we can do analysis also. But CATIA and ProE we do analysis, but we are not doing that much. We are not doing all the type of analysis what we have in the mechanical. We are not doing it. But as for we are going for ANSYS now, so the ANSYS Institute is for only that analysis. So we want to do any analysis here. So yes, it's possible to do the analysis, and ANSYS is able to give an accurate value also. So here in this ANSYS now, so we have the linear analysis layer there, and non-linear analysis is also there, and we have explicit dynamic analysis also there, responsive spectrum analysis is also there now. So we have different type of analysis are there in the ANSYS. But Hypermesh is also having the same thing, right? But here one thing we need to remember, friends, the analysis means as for the mechanical. Now in the mechanical we are depending on the finite elements. So how much finite elements they create by the application, that much of accurate values will come from. The finite element means it's nothing but the small part of the body. So we are already familiar with that. So FEM and FEA. So FEM means it's nothing but a finite element method, and the FEA means it's nothing but finite element analysis. If you want to do any analysis now, we are depending on that particular methods, and by using of that methods now, so we are going to do something onto the applications. See friends, all those applications are used by all the countries, and it's not mean by CATIA is using on India, CATIA using on foreign countries. I'm not saying they like that. So all the countries are using this particular software. But here you can see, friends, if you want to learn SolidWorks directly, yes, it's possible, but we will need to learn CATIA first. Then after we come to the SolidWorks or Unigraphics. Why? Because you need to know that basic manufacture things now. Then we come into the large amount of manufacturers also. So here this is SolidWorks, and this is Unigraphics, and this is ANSYS, and this is AutoCAD. And this all those applications except AutoCAD. So all those applications are called it as parametric applications. So we already know that of parameters. So if you change one side, other side will not be getting changes. So that is exactly of parametric applications. So okay, so this is the applications, friends. But we have Rhino software is also there. We have MCAD software is also there now. So everything is there. So, but I'm not written at MCAD and Rhino. Why? Because it means that MCAD we are not using. Now no one is using MCAD now. So now Rhino is not using now. So further days. So means after 1 year or 2 years they are using the Rhino for doing the mechanical designs now. So okay, so this is the applications for the mechanical side. Okay, so we need to learn AutoCAD, and one more doubt is also very fun. Commonly my students are asking me, sir, why what we need to learn. Sir, I want to learn CATIA or I want to learn ProE. So which one is better for me? See friend, as per my case now, so if you want to learn CATIA, we can learn more. But if you want to learn Pro-E, yes, we can learn Pro-E, but we don't have enough that much of workbenches for that. So my suggestion is to learn about the CATIA, and coming to the next one, we can use it anywhere there. So no problem at all. It's okay. It's okay. So that's all for the mechanical applications, and already I discussed with you. And see friends, if you are if you are learned CATIA, Creo or SolidWorks, you can easily earn 18,000 to 25,000 rupees of salary as a basic. Okay. Okay friends, all the best for you for that. Okay, have a great day friend, enjoy the day friend. And one more, so if you have any doubts for these applications, please comment below, and please ask me that questions, and I'll give you answers to that. Okay, so and if you like this my video, please subscribe the channel. So okay, thank you.